Field surveyors in Rohini play a crucial role in various construction and development projects. These professionals are responsible for collecting accurate data and measurements on the terrain, surrounding areas, and existing structures. By conducting detailed surveys, field surveyors provide valuable information that is essential for the design and planning process of any project. Whether it is a residential complex, commercial building, or infrastructure development, field surveyors in Rohini ensure that the design is based on reliable data and meets the necessary requirements. The role of field surveyors in Rohini goes beyond just collecting data. They also use advanced tools and equipment to analyze the information they gather. This includes using geospatial technology, DGPSdevices, and other surveying instruments to accurately measure distances, elevations, and angles. By utilizing these tools, field surveyors are able to create precise maps, charts, and plans that are vital for architects, engineers, and designers in developing their projects. SCON Design is one of the leading companies that provide field surveying services in Rohini. With a team of skilled professionals, SCON Design specializes in conducting thorough surveys and providing accurate measurements. Their expertise extends to various types of projects, including land development, road construction, and building renovations. The field surveyors at SCON Design understand the importance of attention to detail and precision in their work. They are trained to identify potential challenges or obstacles that may impact the design or construction process. By collaborating with architects and engineers, field surveyors in Rohini contribute to the overall success of a project. Field surveyors in Rohini are essential to many development and construction projects. These experts are in charge of gathering precise information and measurements regarding the topography, the immediate area, and any existing structures. Field surveyors give useful information that is crucial for the design and planning stages of any project by conducting thorough surveys. Field surveyors in Rohini make sure that the design is based on trustworthy data and satisfies the essential standards, whether it be for a residential complex, commercial construction, or infrastructure development. In Rohini, field surveyors' duties go beyond merely gathering information. They also employ cutting-edge apparatus and techniques for the analysis of the data they gather. This includes taking precise measurements of distances, elevations, and angles utilizing geospatial technology, DGPSdevices, and other surveying equipment. In many building and development projects in Rohini, field surveyors are essential. Accurate measurements and data about the terrain, the immediate surroundings, and the existing structures must be gathered by these experts. Field surveyors conduct thorough surveys that yield useful data that is crucial for any project's design and planning phases. Field surveyors in Rohini make sure that the design is based on trustworthy data and